allowing local network access while blocking internet access. I have a networked computer that is used as a remote print scan server, which is shared by numerous users. Is there any way I can block the machine's internet access while still allowing it to connect to our local network? Edit. Essentially, it's a Windows XP machine shared between myself and 5 others in my department, a workaround to share a scanner without purchasing a network-enabled scanner. VNC server is set up on the acting server computer and each user is using a VNC client to access the machine. The machine has its own account and I would like to disable internet access. Is there a way I can disable all internet access from the computer itself without changing group policy settings?
I believe you could do this at the router level, depending on your QoS, and put in a rule to block all traffic, outbound off LAN, for that specific server or computer IP. That way the server can function just fine internally but the router will drop or deny all access externally.
The easiest way to do this by far, but anyone technical could bypass, is simply to go to Internet Properties and change the proxy to something non-existent. Other than this, if you have no internet, you could look at Windows Firewall, if this is Vista Plus, not sure XP supports this, and block port 80 outgoing. Both of these methods can be countered if the machine is not locked down. Personally, if there is no reason for users to be on this other than their programs, just completely lock it down through group policy.
I think the simplest way for doing this is to set wrong default gateway.
Block default gateway in firewall is a good method because, compared to changing the default gateway address to an invalid address, NET interface IP set address name equals local area connection static 192.168.0.255.255.0.0.0.0.0. It doesn't require DHCP disabling. DNS address to an invalid address. NET interface IP set DNS local area connection static 127.0.0.1 validate equals no access without using DNS FE http:///74.125.224.72 is blocked too. Compared to route delete 0.0.0.0 mask 0.0.0.192.168.0.1, the setting is saved.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.